Hi guys, this is Eunice, and I am sitting here and decided to go ahead and show you how I make my lace caps. I wasn't going to make a lace cap, but I really don't want to have to wait another 2 weeks without starting on my new wig. So I am forced to make my lace cap myself. When you order those caps, which I love, it takes a long time, seems like to me, forever to get them. And I do it anyway, and I don't order but one at a time because I'm stingy, cheap, however you want to put it. I should order more than one, but usually I don't order those caps until I get ready to make a wig, and then it seems like it just takes forever. Right now I'm just pinning it to the cap, to the mannequin's head, so that I can actually sew it together. And how I start out is I do the front first. I put a clip here in the front, and then I'll actually put one here in the back. I was lucky enough a while back to get to get a yard of lace, so I guess that was a good deal because now I actually need it. So right now that I got my front and back done, I'm going to go ahead and cut the back here so that I can actually work the lace. So I'm going to cut here, and then I can finish up working and putting the lace together, and then I'll have to sew it together. So I'm gonna probably have to hold this up and see if I can, well, maybe turn it down, because I need to get in here and get a pretty good cut. So right here. So I should have probably cut the lace before I got started, but you know, sometimes you don't always do. Wow, I just knocked over the clips. So okay, I'll pick these off the floor and pin that there. See how I got this pin right here? And I'm doing this so that I can get a good cutting for my lace cap. And then I'm going to stitch it together. So I'm going to put a stick right here. Right there. And then get the other side. And then I'm going to cut it. I'm going to put the here, right here. Let's see, maybe I'm gonna right here. You don't want to waste any of your lace if you can help it. So you want to try to get it just right so that you don't waste any of the lace. And I want to cut it so that I don't waste any lace. So I'm going to pin it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to pin that right there. And I'm going to right here. So, it's just so much easy just buying a lace cap. Yeah, just so much easy buying a lace cap. So I'm going to right here. I'm gonna pin it again right there, and okay, I'm gonna go ahead and now try to cut. Let's see. see. I'm gonna redo this. I want it the same as I got the other side.
Take the glory for yourself.
Okay.
Prove my father right.
Your father absolute saint to you, but he was not to me. Criticize.
Okay. Right now I'm just trying to get it pinned right so that I can go ahead and okay, let's see.
This is the right. After some time, secure some more financing.
So let's see. Okay, I'm getting ready to cut it now.
Do you really think I'm not going to say anything? Do you think I'm going to let you take all of this away from me?
Well, I had hoped that you would be smart.
I'm probably screwing up a little bit, but I can fix it once I get it cut. Let's see. Okay. This is the reason why I don't really like to do this. I just like to go ahead and buy my lace and everything, because I don't normally make these all the time, so naturally there's an issue when I do. So let's see right here. Okay. Okay.
Only one way this is gonna end. Emma, no point in running.
Okay, so here is the lace cap. I'm going to have to sew it, of course, but this is how it goes. Oh, glad I didn't cut it too short in the back. That would have screwed it up some. Although I can bring it down some, just a little bit from the front, so that does not have any bearing. So what I'm going to do now is take these and sew them down like that, and then I'll have my lace wig cap. So, and I'll be ready to go ahead and sew. So I just gotta sew these down and everything and get it ready to start my wig. Yep. Okay, just want to show you guys how I make my wig caps. I've made them before, but I haven't done so in a long time. Like I said, I got my hair. I just don't have the cap. So either I can wait a couple more weeks to get the cap, or I can just go ahead and make the cap and just start my wig. And I choose to do this one here. Alright, so thanks for watching, and hope I'll give you some more tips at another time. Bye.